You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English, the correct pronunciation. For more pronunciations, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from British English pronunciation later. How to pronounce later, stress on the first syllable. The American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US, is as later. So you pronounce the R as in American English, and the T like a D. So it's a flap T, what's called a flap T, meaning it's between two vowels, therefore pronounced like a D. Later, as in see you later, or I'll see you later. American English or British English. UK pronunciation, later. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.